Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you the trades I placed on my FTMO account and my personal account, and I'm basically using Falcon FX concepts, which is like to do with patterns and pattern separation. And I wanted to talk about why I placed the trade and just something new I'm doing with my trades after I watched the Ansari's video. But yes, into the evil markets we go. So I placed this trade on my personal account and my FTMO account with an 8 pip stop loss for a 24 pip take profit. And the reason why I took it is because like I said, do Falcon FX concepts. If I go to the 4 hour, I can see this big pattern basically like this. Oh, sorry, 1 second. I can see this big pattern here on the 4 hour where basically it's like a massive bearish pattern to go down. So what I'm doing now is, before I would just look for like a bearish pattern or a bullish pattern, and if I saw it I would take the trade. But now what I'm doing is I think I said this before, but I'm only taking the trade if the patterns match up in the same direction. So this is a big bearish pattern to go down. This bit here has just gone up and taken the money from these people. If I then go down to the hour, I then see again we're in a bearish pattern. This also has just, I guess it hasn't touched this line, but if I do the line here, sorry, like within that big bearish pattern, there's now this bearish pattern on the 1 hour. I guess it would have been better to wait for it to go up there. I'm an idiot. Yeah, so I'm taking the shorts because they both match up, and then if I then want to go further down, I can kind of see on the 5 minute. They don't go on the 1 minute, but here I guess it could now come up and do this, then go down. But that's why I took the trade, is because before, if I then, where was the other one I was just looking at, 1 second. Oh, this one. So part of me now wants to be like, oh, this is like got like a bearish flag, take a short here, because if I go to the hour you can kind of see where it's like forming this bearish flag. But I just saw, I think it was Ansari's video, he was saying something like the patterns or something, but like in the 4 hour this is a big like bullish flag continuation for the price to go up. So because they don't sync up, I'm not going to take the trade, even if on the lower time frames it starts to like do this and then go down. Whereas on the other trade, if I go back to it, where's it gone? Here, like I just said, it matches, like the sequence of the patterns matches up. And I guess, yeah, oh god, 1 second, I guess in theory I should have waited for it to go up to there, but then it has taken, I don't know, I'm such a mess, man. Oh, but yeah, that's basically what I'm doing at the moment. If I then just flick down, let me flick through the other pairs and see what other ones. So that's that one. So straight away looking at this one, let me go to the daily actually. This one I get this kind of vibe. So I guess it's looking to go, well, and this is the daily, I guess, to go up here, take the money from them, then go down. All that margin call sums up my life. If I then go to the 4 hour, so I guess this would be a buy. Actually no, like I said, this wouldn't be a buy opportunity because the time frames are not matching up. Like I just said, this is a pattern here. Oh, 1 second. So I see this is a big pattern. This is a big pattern for it to go down, like a bearish pattern. But within that bearish pattern is this pattern, which is a bullish pattern. So they contradict each other. So I guess you could take a trade here, but because what I'm doing is they contradict each other. So if, say, instead, if this bit, let me rewind actually. Say if we were actually here, and then price went up here, then came down, then did the bearish flag, then went down, I would be more inclined to take this trade because it matches this flag within the flag. They both match up the direction. So then in this flag, when the price shoots up, takes the money from those people, I'll take a short because this has come up, stopped all these people out. It's made a flag, come up, stop those people out, and then it's looking to go down further. And that's why I would take that trade. And I think what I keep making the mistake, again, it's my patience. That's the main thing. That is my mistake because I'm a mess. But I think it's because I'm not matching the patterns correctly of each other. So if I just go down, so I straight away I'll see this beautiful pattern like this. So this would be a potential trade, I guess, because we have a big bearish flag pattern to go down. If I go to the daily, actually, yeah, to me that looks like it's going down. And yeah, and so if I then, one second, if I then sort of draw this, oh yeah, like, did you see, like, it's the big bearish, there's a big bearish there because this is taking all the money from people there, it's coming down. Now this is probably going to go up maybe to here, actually, take the money from those people and then continue further down. But like Antipi Ansari says, it's my patience is the main thing that's an idiot. But it's like each time frame gives you permission to go on to the next time frame. So if I then go, so the 4 hour, I guess I see it's taken the 1 hour, it's the 15 minute. Half the shit I don't even know what I'm talking about, so take this with a pinch of salt. But then, like, you can see here where this has come up, taking the money from these people. But I guess it would be better to wait for it to come up to here, to take the money from those people. So if it went up to like there, then came down, flagged, then go down, you'd want to take the trade. And I think the reason why that would be good is because, again, we're in a big, we're in a big bearish pattern, and then in an hour we're in this pattern. And then if we then go to the 15 minute, I would see there we're in a bit. So there's like 3 patterns of a bearish continuation that match up, if that makes sense. So that's what yeah, let me go back to this one. So like I said, let me remove all the drawings. If I go to the daily, yeah, I see where, so we have this big, yeah. So yeah, God, I keep rambling, but let me zoom in actually to make myself more clear. Sorry, 1 second. Hopefully that's not too blurry. But we see here where we're in a big bearish flag to go down, but before it goes down, if I then go down the time frames, I see where this has just come up here. It's taking the money from these people, and it's like if I draw the next flag, sorry. There, see, I'm kind of stupid, man. I should have waited for it to come up to hit this bit. And then if I then go down to the hour, but then I guess it has technically taken this bit, it's taking the money from these people. So now I'm looking, because I know there's a big flag here, it matches up with this flag here, and they're not contradicting. It's not like, if it was going down this way, I wouldn't want to take a trade because it's contradicting the bigger overall narrative, whereas this is matching this narrative, the 1 hour, the 15, and yeah, so like here, this is just taking the money from, so if I go back to that hour, let me make that black actually, 1 second. Oh, I'll make it thicker as well. Yeah, so there's a big flag, it matches this flag, the 1 hour, it's come up taking the money from these people. And like, in a way, I guess it's like, it's got nowhere else to go to take money because it's already taken the money from all these people. Yeah. And the only place for it to go is to take money from these people. And then 15, the lowest there goes 5. So I guess I'm just stupid as well, I'm an idiot. I should have waited for this to make more of a flag. It could do that, then take money from them and then go down and then do this. If that makes sense. But yeah, that's sort of what I'm doing at the moment. But I've said so many times, the one thing I need to do is be patient. It's because I'm so obsessed with trading, I just don't wait for the trades. I kind of just look at the chart and be like, okay, there's a trade. But like Nsibi Ansari says, I'm like, because I'm like in an emotional state of wanting to get in the market, and then like my eyes are convincing me, or brain's convincing me that there's trading opportunities there when they're actually not. It's just me convincing myself because I'm in that emotional state of wanting to get into the market. But yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.